Ever been in a silent room, and your stomach suddenly roars like a dying whale? That's called borborygmus, and yes, it's a real word. Stomach growling happens when your digestive system sends waves of muscle contractions, called peristalsis, through your stomach and intestines, even when they're empty. These contractions help move leftover food and air through your guts. And when there's not much in there, that gas and liquid gets squished and sloshed around, creating those gurgly rumbling sounds. When you're hungry, your brain tells your gut to prep for food, which intensifies those movements. That's why you growl louder when you're starving. So don't be embarrassed, it just means your stomach is working overtime for the next snack.